Welcome to our video on the top 5 ChatGPT prompts tailored for tech enthusiasts. These prompts can help you streamline your coding process, automate tasks, and even assist in troubleshooting. Let's dive into the first prompt. Write a code snippet to solve a specific problem. This prompt is useful because it allows ChatGPT to provide customized solutions based on your description. For example, you can ask, write a Python function to reverse a string. Moving on to the second prompt, explain a complex tech concept in simple terms. This is beneficial for grasping difficult topics and sharing knowledge with others. An example of this would be asking, explain blockchain technology for beginners. Next, we have the third prompt, create a project plan with milestones and deadlines. It's particularly useful for organizing your work and ensuring timely completions. An example, outline a 6-month plan for developing a mobile app. Fourth is, suggest improvements for my existing code. This helps you optimize performance and efficiency in your projects. You might say, how can I improve the sorting algorithm? Finally, the fifth prompt, generate a list of useful tech resources or tools. This enables you to discover new technologies and enhance your workflow. For instance, you could ask, what tools can help with front-end software development? In summary, these prompts can significantly boost your productivity and make tech tasks easier. Thank you for watching, and happy prompting!